And that yare kesiye esi we asa afana nyina nkrofo ebo hu yare a friend coronavirus. And that me can say just because of this coronavirus a lot of people are losing money. We share esikafo send your stock market so one more reporters say one more lose sika easy because coronavirus ama nkrofo shut it down on the companies. Nkrofo so they are not going to crowded areas. Aside that, no Italy, TSC ho, ama esi Milan na coronavirus esi ewo hono. And then even football, ya cancel our matches near. Not say that is the effect of coronavirus having on the world. Man, say things are just being cancelled just like that. You see, Olympic Games be eba. Now, because of coronavirus into Olympic Games, the members of Japan, because of coronavirus into they cancel Olympic Games. That is how serious the coronavirus is getting to. Now, President of the nation, Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo, but took Ako Norway, and I think he was going for an European tour. Now, Nana Addo Eko Norway, I'm a picture said by Bontima and for Air on the pictures and things. NDC MP be a friend of Ras Mubarak. Aba Bontin Ebeka say, hey, no way Nana Addo Dankwa wakoi, say no way hoi, coronavirus ewo ho. It is an Nana Addo Eba Ghana bioma. Yes, young quarantine Nana Addo, not to say young chino and share a dying people for 14 good days. Na yemi mani draw and I yan the whole checks near say yari no ebi akanana. And no any asama MP no worker. Na MP ni we no and I was citing example. A Kurobiso I think Monrovia was this a Kurono so wo man penyin so sa wo to kwan na nsen ya wo buy ya fast and a Kurono wo mo quarantine president no for 14 good days because of yare no. Now one thing about yare we and they say wo man be to say Iran wo mo health minister wo ba live TV so and na wo kasa ba coronavirus that time na health minister na kasa wo bowa ya na he na wo no so nya coronavirus ni be na me no kasa even their health minister nya a lot of dignitaries nya sa yare we intinanka the call for this MP to quarantine the president based on this coronavirus. No me dey na come who say it is not bad but Ghana NET ye bibia be politics. It is say ade wey every NDC MP enum ni ntino na afi ngofafa asem no esi bone. Na me pese me read insema wakan wakasa e parliament house and wakan was say could my honorable friends confirm whether upon arrival in the country from his European tour His Excellency the President will be quarantined? Mr. Speaker, I say so because the President of Mongolia, the President of Mongolia has been quarantined for the 14-day mandatory period, and Mr. Speaker, His Excellency the President has visited Norway, which has recorded a case of coronavirus. It will be very helpful to get information as to when His Excellency will be quarantined when he arrives in the country. And no any some NDC MP no wakan e Parliament House. Na wakan no wonu dia waka say enye Nana Akufo-Addo pe because we share MPs na dudu na nso e outside the country sisi a wo mu ye adwuma ma eye oman no. Nti those MPs ni nso e dia ni ye ya fa wo mu nso wo mo ho yenye bibi emfa wo mo ho. And the majority leader sorry ye no okasa say wo hwa asema Ras Mubarak aka no yenye ne say wo say wo de fa ho ka say oh wo de wo ka say president ni MPs pe but wo de yenye ne say Ghana fo ni na to say indirectly or directly no or rabeshe asema Ras Mubarak ekan. But I just want us to think into this, because if any other normal person, any other normal Ghanaian be and a wo free a Kurobiso European country bia sisia the European countries no do na wo monya coronavirus yi a wo free Kurobiso eba na ke be quarantine na ye quarantine no It's just a question I'm asking. If any other Ghana Libya yate, because based on this coronavirus in Ghana for more ever China class students or more China class, they say more any day back. Not just say you show coronavirus. It is a president that could be so I'm a coronavirus not president neighbor. I feel say the president needs to be checked. When you somewhere was say you play politics. Personally, that's what I feel. Sarana Nigeria for yeah, and the coronavirus atwa see woman man so no. Woman so sa will be free Italy ba and asa yen checking the pako we be do as any pako the coronavirus and aba. And then breaking news are eba and they say Nigeria for bako 38 enkwa ya quarantine based on this coronavirus thing. This disease is deadly. The Mamotia say I've seen a lot of videos and go can say yes see yare bi ewo wiase mu a sa yare no ebetumi okumo bia ewo wiase mu a e sa coronavirus. Experts are speaking. Say yes see yare bi wo wiase mu na sa yare no ebetumi okumo bia enja nipa ba kompo ewo wiase mu a e sa coronavirus. Na senia etie for air spread no e deadly. Ebola nkranfa ne ho. Hey! Etie for easy o. Kenye easy. Na me hu book bi abada for bi editor me. You say The Baby of Darkness. Book ni yatro in 1981. Na in 1981 na yatro book no ne bakwa wo tro sa book no. What can say in 2020 yare bi ebeti esi wo man mu na yare na be hya ase e wo Wuhan e wo China. Ebeti esi wo man ni na mu no na ye nya ye behu ade a yare ne be ye. The book was reading. Let me just find the title of the book for you. I think in the Door of Darkness was it's here for me back. Oh there, book madam for be sending mommy. And I will be pages at Tremia. Na the Pakua will throw book no walk. The Pakua will throw book no walk. We throw book in 1981. Say in 2020. Yare bi besi na yare na be sha se fi Wuhan e wo China na kre yare no so sha se e fi Wuhan e wo China na book ni mu no de omo try ene se nkrofu bi na sheda ahye sumase for several years and wo mo create yare we na yare no epie because coronavirus yare no yesi se wa bonten a o ye dead bi no e wa bonten a o ye no ho se eye ewewu na odene ho kan nipa ana aboape na wa sorry it is wa abontin na we wu a external factors na wa abontin to say ewia ni we ni na entumi affect no because e wa abontin a ewu e be hye nipa mu pe na we peja intino etefo eno ene asema e wo ho sa coronavirus e serious. It's serious part any easy. Na Nino edu Nigeria idie Ghana yesremu we need to be serious. Today I was watching a video on and I was very sad. Hey Ghana on my way and I mean I show you I was watching TV3 and upper way and a medical expert be a buyer and they stated bluntly say Ghana we are joking. O shase nya ya we etiesi e man bi mu ekunkum nkrofo na ka by this time Ghana nanke ya set aside facility krase ya we ne ba say ne be ye disinfect to say sisi a China wo ko wa every single day ye di edro egu kroni ni na so just because of this yare na so me my Ghana they say that be and yet ho anya me beye video bi a me hu ye ma me dia wo kasa o say Ghana de yare we de ntia China for no say China for no wo mo re import dodo it import na wo mo re no e na nya me ti o mo ka e na me say wa hwe look at excuse my language such an ignorant statement Such an ignorant statement from a Ghanaian. Why will you even say something like this? This is our mentality towards this Yari. We are not serious in this country. Oh my way, you're serious. You're serious, but I could say. Now, send me think extra no book no title no yeah. Hey, book title. I say make any. Book the title no yeah. Eyes of Darkness. Eyes of Darkness. Eyes of Darkness. Book no mesre. Kona koshe sa book no na read. Me yanka me read meba. Me read some portion of the book was reading it the book was written in 1981. 1981 and I want to sa book no. Now I just want to read some portion of 1981. The it was written by Dean Koontz. Dean Koontz. The papa will throw book no. The Dean no. The person be reading a portion from the book. Etremo. Now I want to say the book ne can say yari na ebe ye na pepe and no na ye. Or see, they called the stuff Wuhan 400 because it was developed at their RDNA labs of the city of Wuhan, and it was the 400 DNA strain of man-made microorganisms created at the lab. Not to say the book no say yari bi beba 2020 sa yari no nkrofo bi na etena a medical lab and they create here. Now the yari no ebe have great impact o mine so wo mo be yese wo mo be nya ho edro be yesa wo mo nya ho edro da. But one day mo ho amobeti an say yes yari no just like that ayira obi antiase mansa na yari no be yira no na etiefo de aye no na enye easy. But that's what the book said. Hey, enye easy me pesa mo tremo adwen ewo eye comment box ni mu e ma etiefo me da say